Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open your device app store and download Niantic Campfire. Sign in with your Niantic account to link game profiles. Grant permission for location and notifications to receive local events and messages. Choose a display name and add an optional photo to personalize your profile. Confirm privacy settings for visibility and friend requests before proceeding. If prompted, allow media access to send images and voice messages in chats. This setup prepares you for messaging, events, and group coordination on the platform. Tap the Groups tab to search or create a group by name or location radius. Use tags and short descriptions to describe activity and attract local players. Send text, images, or voice messages to coordinate meetups and share exact locations. Use the map pin to show meeting points and a distance radius for clarity. Create an event with date, time, and location and invite up to 50 people. Manage RSVP and edit details if plans change before the meetup starts. Open settings to adjust privacy and limit who can view your location on the map. Choose between visible, friends only, or hidden visibility for precise control. Block or report users to maintain a safe community and clear chat history to manage storage. Enable push notifications for invites and important messages, and mute specific groups during busy hours. Use battery saver options and low data mode to reduce impact on your device during extended meetups or travel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.